When you start on SketchUp, the first things to do is to insert your windows. So when you start, you have just these different tools at this level, and you have just this tab, and you can change that. I'm going to show you how to change that, and I'm going to show you what is the best preference. So you go on View and you have Toolbars. So View, Toolbars, and here you are going to find different options for your toolbars. So it's to you to choose. I can advise you that here it's Getting Start, so you have Getting Start. You need to select Large Tool Set. So I click this, and now I have all these different tools on the left. You need to use Large Tool Set and to have this tab, this toolbar on the left. And you can add also Other. After be careful, because sometimes you are going to have exactly the same tool on a tab and on another tab. So you don't need to have twice exactly the same thing. I'm going to give you an example. If, for example, you take the tool, if, for example, you take Drawing, you are going to have this tool, but you have exactly the same at this level on the left with Large Tool Set. So it's not useful. If you select Construction, you are going to have the same tool here than at this level. So for this reason, start with you need to select Principal. You can have Principal. So you can remove Getting Start, and I'd advise you to start with Standard and to with Large Tool Set. So Standard is very interesting because you have these different elements at this level. You can save, you can undo and redo action, you can print also. So I can advise you to have these two tabs first. And after, to continue, you can add also Warehouse here. You can add also Style. Why not Section? Also, you have Edit. It's not useful. So you have also Camera. Camera can be interesting. And Edit. I'm going to remove Edit. Like that. And after, you can place the different tab inside. So it means that you can, for example, take this and you can change like that. After, I can pull this and to place at this level. I can take this and I can place that on the left, for example. And you can also remove this. So you can, when it's, for example, at this level, you can take this here and you can remove like that. And I'm going to place at this level. So I advise you to start with this different element. It's going to be the more important to start about the tool. On the right, you have also Default Tray with Entity Info, Materials, Components, Style, Shadow, Instructor, and you need to have on the right every time Default Tray. So after, I can advise you to go on Window, you go on Default Tray, and you can change that. So it means that if, for example, I don't want to have Entity Info, I can whether remove here, whether I can deselect at this level, and I remove this. And if I want to have, for example, layer, I can click on layers, and I'm going to have layers at this level. And then after, you have just to click here to remove like that. For example, I want to remove instructor, I can remove hide instructor like this. If I want to have this again, I go on Window, Default Trail, and I can select instructor like that. So I can advise you also to keep the different elements at the beginning, but you can add other things here.